I ride a motorcycle. I have the Triumph Tiger 900 GT Pro. And on a motorcycle, you don't have many places that you can carry things. I bought this Rhino Walk MT102 pouch. It's a multi-purpose pouch, serves as a leg pouch or a waist pouch or a shoulder bag or a chest bag. One of the primary reasons I got this pouch for was to carry my mobile phone with a 20,000 milliamp hour battery pack. The reason is, when I ride my motorcycle, my mobile phone is connected to my helmet headset by Bluetooth, and my mobile phone is also connected by Bluetooth to my Android Auto CarPlay device, which gives me map navigation. So if I go for long rides, it will drain my phone battery. So I want to connect my mobile phone to a battery pack during the ride, something like this. And something this big is not easy to carry in your riding jacket or your riding pants if it's got pockets. So this is what this pouch is for. Join me in this video as I review this pouch with you. The Rhino Walk pouch is packaged in a transparent plastic bag. There is a card inside which illustrates Rhino Walk products for bicycles and motorcycles, as well as contact details. And it says, if I share installation picture of the product to the product feedback and leave a 5-star feedback and send them a screenshot, they will provide a 10% discount coupon. For the product itself, there is a waistband. This is the size of the band at the narrowest, and if I adjust the band out to the maximum, you can see that it takes a very large waist. At the lower part of the bag is a leg band. Essentially it goes very small, but nobody's legs that thin, and it can go pretty big. That's a very big thigh. So I suspect the adjustments of this waistband and leg band allow this pouch to be used by a wide range of people of different body sizes. The waistband can be undone by simply pressing on the clips and secured by pushing it back in. Easy. Similarly, the leg band has a smaller clip, undone by pressing the clips and secured by pushing it in. Whilst we're on the back of the pouch, the reverse side of the pouch has 2 breathable thick meshes, and I think that's good because it helps prevent sweat against the body. And the leg band can be removed as well completely, so that this pouch can be used purely as a waist pouch or a shoulder pouch or a chest pouch. For the physical dimensions of this pouch, the width is 16.5 centimeters, the height from the base to the top is 31 centimeters, and the thickness of the pouch when expanded is 10 centimeters. The fabric used is 900D polyester, and the weight of the bag is 325 grams. The bag or the pouch comes in 3 colors: black, gray and olive. I chose black because black would go with just about any color clothing I have, and it matches my sapphire black Tiger 900 motorcycle. The overall volume capacity of the bag is about 3 liters, and there are 4 zip pockets: 1, 2, 3 and 4. On the front pouch, there are some MOLLE straps that I can use to hook equipment to. There's also MOLLE straps on this side, and there are MOLLE straps on this side as well. Right at the top, there's a strip of Velcro loops, and there's a removable Rhino Walk label that sticks to the loops. Let me open the pouches. First pouch, a small space in front. Second pouch, there's 1 slot here, 2 slots, 3 slots, 4 slots. Now if I open the third pouch, there are more slots. Slot 5, slot 6 which has a mesh, slot 7, 8, 9 and 10, and for the last pouch on top, as I said, I primarily wanted to carry my lithium battery pack so that I can charge my phone, and to do that in a confined space, I had to buy this right angle USB cable. USB-A on one end and USB-C on the other end. This is so that the cables do not get damaged compared to a straight angle cable. So that's how they connect, and then I can fit it in the biggest pouch. There we are. That means my phone can be powered for a long time whilst I'm riding. And if I haven't mentioned, all 4 zips are waterproof zips, so that's good. I'll just swing this around so you can see. I like this bag. I can in fact put my wallet in there as well and a few other things. I'm next to my Tiger 900 GT Pro. I have here the Rhino Walk MT102 pouch. I will wear it and show you how it looks on me. I'm a small build person, but I think the waistband and leg band on this fits a small to a large person. The leg band is elastic. So that's what it looks like as a leg pouch. I have in the pouch my mobile phone and a battery power pack with the right angle USB charging cable. So this means I can ride for long distances, have the phone connected to the Bluetooth headset as well as to the Bluetooth Android Auto CarPlay device for navigation. So that's important to me. With the number of pouches in here, I certainly could keep a few more things. That's what it looks like. It's much easier to wear the pouch before putting on the riding jacket. So with the jacket on, this is what it looks like. I'm happy with it. Sitting on the motorbike, this is what it looks like wearing the leg pouch. I think it's great. I like it. There is one feature I would have liked on the pouch, and that is to have a cable entry hole so that if I wanted to, I could put a long USB cable from within the bag out to a charging port on the motorcycle. But I'm happy to accept that it's big enough to put a battery pack. Now to illustrate the 3 other ways to wear this pouch. Just to wear it as a waist pouch. My waist is small, so it hangs down low. A bigger person would have this pouch higher up. To use it as a waist pouch, I just remove the leg band. So this is a third way of wearing the pouch as a shoulder bag. Or if I shorten the straps a little bit, I could have it in front as a chest pad. But personally for me, I would most likely wear it only as a leg pouch. I do hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and get notifications when I upload a new video. Thank you so much.